Now children, we have to deal with the therapy, that is how we can treat the cancer. So the cancer can be controlled in early stages, and control depend upon the location and spread of the cancer. So it is so as the key of the cancer treatment in early detection, that is first is the radiation therapy, and the therapy that we expose the cancerous part or the cancerous cell in exposes to the ionizing radiation like X-ray, which kill the cancerous cell. It give good result in skin, lip, mouth and cervix cancer, but radiation therapy is employed in about 80% cancerous cases. We employed this therapy, but there is some drawback also, that by using this therapy the nearby cell is also get affected, or they may also get damaged by using this therapy. So this is used in 80% cases, but there is some drawback also. The next one is the hormonal therapy. That is, I've said that testosterone hormone causes the prostate cancer. So one hormone is causing the cancer, so we'll use the other hormone that will inhibit or neutralize the action of that hormone, or that carcinogenic hormone you can say. So this hormonal therapy is also used in some cases, like that we used in breast cancer, or we also used in prostate cancer, that is the hormonal therapy. The third one is the surgical therapy. It involves the removal of cancerous part by operating This is the easiest method, or you can say easiest method for the treatment of cancer. It cannot be employed against all the cancer, that this does not be employed for the purpose if the person is suffering from blood cancer. So but in most of the cancer it can be employed and reduce the tumor load before starting, or other therapeutic method. So first we'll use the surgical method, we'll remove the tumorous part, and then we'll start the other therapeutic method that will restrict that cell, or that will remove that cells, or they can be damage that cell that causes the cancer. The next one is the chemotherapy. Chemo is the chemical. We use different type of chemical to treat the cancer, and the one most common chemical that we use is 6-mercaptopurine. This is one and one is 6-aminopetrine. These are the two chemicals that are known as killer for the cancerous cell, and or they inhibit DNA synthesis and division of the cancerous cell. So these method is used chemical for the treating or inhibiting the cancerous cell. The next is immunotherapy. It is the latest methodology of the cancer treatment in which the neutral neutral anti-cancerous immunological defense mechanism are developed. For example, radioimmunotherapy is one example. Then radioisotope are linked, in which you have studied that ions are used for the treatment, and radio linked cancer alpha interferons is also used for the treatment of the cancer, for the therapy of the cancer. So and the research is also going on for the development of anti-cancer vaccine, but it is now up to the mark now. So these are the methods that we use, that is radiation therapy, hormonal therapy, surgical therapy, chemotherapy and immunotherapy to prevent the cancer from spreading if it is detected in early stages. Somehow if it is not detected in early stages, some treatment goes on, and that is the cancer. So this is the therapy that we used. So we have studied the type of cancer, we have studied the therapy of cancer, we have studied the etiology, we have studied how the action goes on to the cancerous cell. So this is about the cancer. Now in next we'll study about the AIDS.